Hi friends. Welcome to Hot and Sweet. Today's recipe is special to my heart. It's Karela coconut, bitter gourd coconut. This recipe is from my mom's kitchen. So let's begin with cutting the Karela and remove all the seeds. Here I am taking raw coconut which is freshly cut and shave in long strands. To reduce the bitterness, rub the sliced Karela generously with a teaspoon of salt and turmeric. Let it rest for 20 to 30 minutes. Squeeze the slices tightly to extract the bitter green juices. Then rinse them in water and pat dry. Here you see the bitterness from the gourd is removed. Now it's time to steam our Karelas. Add some water to the pan and give it a boil until they are soft. Kindly drain all the water once your Karela is soft. Heat oil in a pan over medium heat. Add the chopped onions and sauté until they turn soft and translucent. Add the chopped tomatoes and sauté until soft. Add salt to taste. 1 tablespoon ginger, garlic paste and turmeric powder. Add in spice mixed red chili powder. Stir in all the ingredients. Fold in the fresh grated coconut. Cover the pan with a lid and let it steam on low heat for 5 minutes. Do a soft test on Karela. This is how easily it breaks off. Remove the lid, stir well, and let it roast uncovered for another 2 minutes until dry. Add the squeezed Karela slices to the pan. Stir-fry them on medium-low heat for 8 to 10 minutes, until they begin to brown and soften slightly. Add a crushed groundnuts to balance the flavors with a little crunch. Add some jeera powder. Add crushed jaggery. Tamarind pulp. Mix thoroughly. If the mixture looks too dry, sprinkle 2 tablespoons of water, cover the pan with a lid, and let it steam on low heat for 5 minutes. Wow! Look at those glazed, shiny Karelas. That's the magic of hot and sweet cooking. With the right balance of masala, jaggery, and fresh coconut, even bitter gourd turns into something you'll crave. Serve it up piping hot with soft fulkas. And watch everyone at the table go back for seconds. If you enjoyed cooking along today, don't forget to hit that like button, share this recipe with your friends, and subscribe for more traditional Maharashtrian flavors.